Yo, what's popping, gang? What's popping, gang? Welcome back to Fast and Effects Home of Blues. Once again, this is another video, another episode, guys. And if this is the first time you're watching this channel, kindly stick around, gang, because this channel is always lit, right? So this is just for educational purpose, guys, and I'm not a financial advisor, alright? So either way, stick around, guys, and if you feel like maybe this video will be maybe have some impact on your trading journey, then smash the subscribe button. All right, you only need to smash the subscribe button after watching the video, and maybe if you find it more educative, then man, feel free to subscribe. All right. So once again, today I'm going to give you more tips, guys, on how to approach the financial market, the forex market, guys. Okay. So today let's maybe for the scalpers. The previous video was maybe I I was dealing only with the swing a lot. So today I'm going to be on the scalper side either way, but I don't scalp. All right. So let's scalp. Okay. So first things first, guys. What you need to do when you enter the market, you need to analyze and see what's happening. All right. So like I said before, you need to know the general direction. We know that now the price was trending on the downside, but then it was broken. But that either way, in the back of your mind, you should know that that was just a retracement. Okay, so we have an impulse movement and a retracement or a correction. Okay, we have this. So all right, let's just go all the way back. Right. So this was an uptrend. Then this was now correction. Then an uptrend correction. Now price trying to go back to the upper side. And then remember, like I said, guys, now with this smart money concept, guys, already we can see that the smart, I mean the this previous zone was quite strong. So price has already retested that zone, and I believe it's not going to come back. Okay, so for now we know that price is going to retest this previous high over here. All right. Okay, let me draw that clean. So we believe that price is going to retest this previous high, which is weak. And I told you the previous video that price will only try to target the weak points. All right. Okay. So now that let's say now that you just woke up and you find that the market is at this zone. So what you're going to look out for is just positions. All right. Okay. So this was happening. Now for the scalpers, let's go down to the lower time frame. Nice. Okay. All right. Nice one. So let's see. Let's play this and see. This should be our entry zone, guys. Okay. So let's just react to what the market is doing. Okay. So now we have this zone. Of course. Come on. We have this zone that that price has played for some times over here. Okay. So now for the scalpers, this is the time you can, I believe you can take your buy entry over here. Alright. And then maybe a stop loss below the previous zone over here. And then you should target now this previous higher zone. Alright. So let's see. Let's see for the scalpers. That was hit, gang. Quite easy. Right? That was easy. And that was smashed. For the scalpers. Alright? That's easy, gang. About 47 pips. Okay? So let me just rewind this more and then explain that. Okay? Now let's say you are on the lower time frame. Okay? So when you bring that to your Fibonacci tool, guys, then take it all the way from the previous low over here and then to the higher zone, the previous high over here. Okay, come on, man. Let me remove this color so this Fibonacci. I don't need it. Oh, come on. Okay, just a minute, guys. Let me edit this. Okay, that's crazy. Okay. Uh-huh. Let me just edit this, and maybe okay. These are the trend line. These are the trend line. So this should just remain like that. Okay. Where are they? All right. Visibility. Nope. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Background. All right. No background. Yeah, that's what I was looking. All right. Okay. So basically, you can see that price has already rejected that zone. All right. What do I mean with that? What do I mean with that zone? Look at this. 30. I mean the 78 zone. Price has consolidated that zone and has rejected. Look at this bullish candlestick for the scalper. So maybe you could have taken your entry over here, but always, sometimes, of course, I usually take my trade at the 78 after price has rejected. But then at the back of my mind, I usually still anticipate that price might go back to the zero. I mean the 100% zone before now pulling back. All right. So sometimes price will not go back to the 100. So that's why you will see that you'll miss your entry waiting on that 100. So anytime I see price at the 78 zone, that's when I take my buy entries. All right. Okay. So let's see. That was smashed. All right. Just a minute, guys. So we're back. Sorry for that interruption. All right. So that's one. That's one. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's go back to the 4 hours. So let's remove that. So that's our first win, gang. And yeah, we should continue the scalp. All right. So like I say, this is the target, gang. This is the target. So let's continue and see what price is trying to do. And of course, we know that there's a resistance. This trend line over here, that's a resistance. Okay. So that should also be at the back of your mind. That okay, sorry, should be at the back of your mind that when price touches that zone, price might try to reverse to the previous support, this zone. All right, before going up. So those are the things that you should now have in the back of your mind. Either way, what price is doing. Okay. So for now, that's what's up. That's what's up. So price has not broken this previous zone. Okay. So that's what's up. That's what's up. Let's continue. Let's continue. We just want to trade. I mean, trade with the trend. All right. Okay. Right. That was fast. That was fast. Let's just rewind that. Let's rewind that. That was fast. So we can see price is trying to respect that zone. This one over here. Okay. So let's go and see what was happening at the 1 hour time frame. At the hourly, this was what's up. This was what's up. Can remove that. Alright, so of course let's go to the 15. These are just for the scalpers. Alright. Oh, that's great, guys. So we can see at the 15 the support was quite strong, right? This was strong. It was not broken, guys. It was not broken. So with that, guys, already we can see that price gave us a double bottom, guys. Alright, that's great. So probably, let's see if this price pull back. Let's say maybe we just missed this entry. So maybe we can wait for a pullback. If it doesn't come back to this zone, then now we'll just look for another entry. Okay, oh, that was fast either way. All right, so there's this rejection, so let's say we were that, and of course we have this in mind. And let's see, when we introduce the fib. So now when we use the Fibonacci tool, we should get clear retracement zones. So let's see. Okay, all right, nice. So did you see that? So that 61 zone, so that's why there was that rejection. We have the 61 zone also that price usually trace. It's either the 61 or the 78, right? Rather also the 100. So those are the zones that one should be watching out for. So this is respected, like the 61. So either way, if we take a buy over that zone, of course, that will be more risky because we'll be risking a lot, right? Around 38 pips, right? Okay, that's risky. I don't know about you, but risking 38, let's see. If we risk 38, or rather let's see if price will try to go back to that 60 zone, the 61. So if let's say we took that sell over there, I mean the buy, then we should target the 27 zone. I don't know, maybe let's see if price maybe pull back to the 61, then maybe we will get our entry, and it did not. Okay, nice. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? So let's remove this. The reason why I said I usually prefer to take it at the 100 zone or the 78 zone. Let's rewind that a little more. And I said before that taking your entry at that zone after price pullback would have been risky, guys. Alright? Would have been risky. Would have been risky. That's why I usually prefer to wait price to come back to the 100 zone for maximum profit, or rather the 78 zone. Alright, so the reason why I prefer the 78 or the 100 zone is because my stop loss or my risk will be quite manageable. Now that should be now below 100 zone, that should be 27 pips, but then I should be now targeting the previous high, which was this. So you can see now we have good risk to reward ratios, 27 pips risk to make 61. But now if we took that entry at the 68 zone, after that price pulled back or rejected the 61, that means our risk to reward ratio will have been crazy, meaning we could have risked more, 70 something, when we made our stop loss to be below this 100 zone. But then if you make your stop loss below 61, that will be the 34 that I was talking about. But then price 61 zone has not proven that strong, right? That's why I prefer to wait for price to go back at least to touch the 78 zone on the fib zone, the fib retracement tool. Right? So if I've taken my entry at the 78% zone, and then I see price still pulling back to the 100 zone or against me, guys, I'm usually calm, because at the same time, at the back of my mind, I've been waiting for this. All right, I've been waiting for price to pull back to 100 for maximum profit. All right, so sometimes price will not give us that retracement to the 100 zone. That's why maybe if I see rejection at the 78 like the previous one that we just did, I do take that entry at the 78. All right, but then after taking that 70 my entry at the 78, things can also happen. So I'm also anticipating that yes, I've taken that trade, but then I'm still expecting a pullback or a drawdown to the 100 zone. If that doesn't happen, then no problem, but if it happens to my advantage, then for maximum profit. So let's go. Okay, look at that. Now when price hit that 78, it rejected that zone, bounced off that zone so fast, guys, bounced off that zone. let's remove this. Okay, that's a minute. Let me remove this. Let's go step by step. That was fast, guys. That was fast. Okay, so step by step. Oh, come on. Why is this thing or going so fast? Okay, so that was a bounce. Boom, back. Alright, so let's see how that happened at the 5 minutes. So probably that could have been news that pushed this all the way down. Then maybe bulls were waiting for the price, the way I'm saying at the 78 before now going in for longs. Okay, okay, so let's see. So our take profit was all the way up. Actually it should be this zone, of course, but then stop being greedy. Whew, 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 whew. Price went all the way up, gang. Look at these. That was fast. That was fast. Come on, why is this thing going so fast? I really need to go slow, man. Step by step. Nice. Boom. So this should, I mean, this probably was news. But remember, we were safe, guys. The previous lower support was a very strong zone, and that went up. So you just smashed that 80, guys. You just smashed in 80 pips. So far so good, so far so blue. You've not taken any loss, guys. Alright, let's continue. Remember, our target zone is this. We are still scalping. This is our target zone. Let's go, baby. Okay, let's see what price is doing. This is quite fast. Okay. Oh, let's go to the 1 hour. Come on, that we were scalping, so I should not be using this for hours. Already we've known the trend. That's why we should only stick with the lower time frame. So I can see something over here. We have this should I draw that trend line? Of course, we just react to what the market is trying to do. So let's go, baby. Right, I've seen something, gang. I've seen something. So the moment I just brought in that trend line, guys, remember we still had at the lower time frame, this zone is still strong and still valid. We have this double bottom, guys. Please speaking, we have this double bottom at the lower time frame. We had that double bottom, guys. All right, so and then we still have this zone which is strong. So for now, after drawing that trend line, then this is an hour resistance. I'm still expecting price to pull back to retest that zone. Very nice. So let's bring in the Fibonacci once again. The Fibonacci, baby. Where are you? Oh, that we've already done that. Yeah, that was smashed, of course. Okay, yeah, this is done. This was done, right? Oh yeah, that was done. Okay, right, so let's continue. Now, nice. So price has already reached this level. All right, so price at this resistance, and if you can see over here, price has not broken. It has failed to break this zone for some time. You can see this rejection over here. When price touches this zone, it bounces back. So let's see what will happen. Of course, we just have to be patient. Let's see. It just broke that, guys. Okay, that's nice. So we're still scalping. Our target zone should be this. That should be at the target zone. So that was broken, guys. So let's go and see what happened at the 15. For now, we don't have to take any entry, guys. Alright, remember we still have some trend lines that price has been respecting, guys. So we just have to wait and see for if price gives us a pullback. Let's go, nothing. Okay, so we can see price has created something over here. Could this be a trap? I don't know. Scalpers, could this be a trap? Let's see at the 5. Alright, okay, so let's bring that Fibonacci and see. So this was the previous low, then smash that previous side. So let's see. Okay, so let's maybe give it 100, I mean 78, and but then we're still anticipating that it might pull back to the 100 zone. Scalping 16 pips and maybe target the previous side. Let's see. Okay, so its price has given us another high, so probably I don't know if it will pull back to the lower. Okay, let's see. Okay, nothing. So this zone has not been retested, so we just missed that entry either way. Okay, so we just remove this, everything. We just remove everything. We just have to remove everything, guys, then flow with the market structure. So we have that price creating new structures, of course. So this zone has not been retested, guys. We should also have that in mind. Either way, we still also have the zone that was broken. This one, this was broken. We have that break of structures, but then price is still at the higher zone. So now let's see if we can maybe catch some sales to this zone. Okay, so let's see, maybe boom, come on, let's see if we can catch some sales. But I usually don't like going against the trend because we are in an uptrend, so there's no way I should be buying, I mean selling. So this is risky either way. Taking a sell entry here will be risky, but for the scalpers, I don't know how you survive. Let's see if we're going to be triggered in. Not yet triggered. So now you can see price respecting this trend line that I just drew, right? So probably, you know, I believe some we have some bulls that are trying to maybe take a buy over here, and then stop loss below the previous zone over here, and maybe target this previous high. Scalpers, let's see. Still respecting, so that zone is strong, right? This zone is strong. Oh, so you just have to adjust our trend line. Okay. And so the bulls went home with something. All right, that's nice. And you can see the moment we took that buy entry, gang, price just gave us maybe how many pips over drawdown? 4 pips, gang. Right? That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. But remember, guys, price has not pulled back to this zone. Remember, this zone was strong at the hourly. This zone was strong, but just it was just broken, but price has not come back. So that is still in my mind, guys. Of course, we are almost hitting our target, but then I'm still watching out for this zone. So let's see, because I believe when price hits this zone, guys, it might bounce back from that. Let's see, I don't know. Let's get it, this key, let's make it 15. Alright, So far we've won all the trades. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wow, 3. Are there 3 or more than 3? 3. Okay. So, I believe there are 3. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah. So that should be 127, right? 47 plus 80. That should be 127 plus. Oh yeah, plus this one. 165, right? Yeah. Yeah. So 165. So far we've made 165 pips. Okay. All right. Let's go, baby. Surprise! Just hit that. Let's see the out time frame. All right. That's nice. That's nice. So now, let's see. Let's first remove this. Oh, come on. So we still have some zones that price has not retested, guys. We still have those zones that price. Of course, this was our target, and then price has hit that. So let's continue, guys. Price has not yet given us a pullback, right? And then, guys, remember we still have this major trend line, the main one, all right? So this resistance, of course, price broke that. Do not forget that price just went up. Price will not just continue going up without retracement, all right? So either way, we're still waiting price for a pullback, maybe this zone, of course, right? So this is just a resistance that price broke, now is a support, but I believe we have this major support over here before now going up. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's go, come on. Now again, once again, for the scalpers, I believe now this should be a trap either way. Taking a buy entry, let's see if that was a trap. Let's see if that was a trap. For now, price still in a downtrend, so I can't see any buys though. Price in a downtrend in the lower time frame, so we have this consolidation zone. All right, so let's see if it breaks, then now we should be going down. We need this break, pull back, then go down. Okay, slowly. Boom. No pullback, guys. No pullback. Give us a pullback, baby. Give us a pullback, please. Pullback. Okay, so we have something over here. Okay, and let's see with our Fibonacci tool up to this zone. Of course, either way, guys, so now this is what's happening. I still believe price might go back to the 78 before going down. That the pullback that I was talking about, but still I'm not going to take that entry right now. Either way, even though I can see price is trying to do something over here, I will not. But either way, this is still a double bottom before. Let's see. Okay, so I'm still safe. I've not taken that trade. I'm still safe. Okay, so we just missed that. Now price has just touched the previous resistance that was broken, and now it's a support. Okay, no problem there. Right, so like I said before, we are now, this is our main target. The previous lower support should be our main target. I'm just trying to avoid those sell entry the way because this market's still bullish though. But scalpers usually take buys or sell in any market. But that's not me. Alright. Wait! Come on, man. That was fast, man. That was fast. Okay. So now we have this zone. We remember this zone was strong, guys. Let me just mark this zone. This zone was strong. Okay. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Right. So that should be right. So now if we bring out the Fibonacci tool once again, guys, remember this was the previous low. We then take it all the way up to that previous high over here, guys. Let me zoom in. Already we have I believe, was it 160 something pips? I can't remember. Alright, so we should be targeting the 71 zone and the 100. Those are the zones that we should be looking out for. Alright, so let's see. Take it slow, baby. Come on, wait. Surprise just gave us that. Okay, let me just do this so clearly. Okay, so look at that rejection, guys. Let me remove everything. Look at this rejection. We have this candlestick. Look at this. So that's when we should have taken that buy, maybe over here. Okay, then our stop loss would have been below this zone. Now I just came in for swings. Oh god, now it's time to swing, baby. So this should be the target now. So right, so let's go swing. But remember, at the back of our mind, guys, we still have the 100 zone that has not been retested. So keep calm, baby, keep calm, baby. So we're still good. Oh wait, come on, man. You need to wait for me, man. Good. So now price pullback. Let's remove this. Don't need it. Okay. So price gave us that push or pullback. Let's continue. Once again, the 78 zone got rejected. Alright, let's go, baby. Boom. Yeah, wait. That's nice. So far we in. Let me see. Are we still in 100? Was that 100? No, that's 200 pips, gang. We already scalped all the way, but then because we were still waiting for that pullback, we just had to scalp, okay, before price now came back to now continue the way up. Remember, we've taken this trade from this zone back to this zone all the way up. Now we were waiting for that push or pullback, but then if you either way, you could have been scaling in the lower time frame, guys. All right, so price gave us so many structures that you guys could have taken. Scale in, scale in, scale in, scale in, and scale in. Just have to scale in either way. Just have to scale in, scale in, scale in, scale in. Step by step, baby. Boom. Let's see if it could have been hit. Let's see. That's smashed. Alright, that's 36 pips. We've just scale in that. So that is what you could have been doing the lower time frame, just like that until all the way. Let's continue with that on the hour time frame. So the way we did scalp all the way from this swing low to that previous swing high, that's how you should be now swinging, I mean scaling in now with those scalp in the lower time frame. But then still remember, you're still holding your long position, because we still knew that price had to go back to retest this major support before now going all the way up. So let's continue, baby. Let's go. Let me just add this more first. So that's what's up. So price still went in winter. I believe that was news. That came down. That's news. So all this while you were just waiting. You was just waiting for price to do his thing, right? Okay. Patience. But then remember the lower time frame, guys. You're still scaling in. You're scaling in, baby. You're scaling in. Ooh, come on, baby. Smash it. Poof. Oh, and then it passed. Oh, that's enough. Oh, so that's the current market, of course. All right. So just bag in 380 pips, guys. Then remember, you've scaled in the lower time frame. So the previous ones you've made 160 something. This is 380 plus the scaling in that you did in the lower time frame. So probably you've made thousands and thousands of pips in just this single trade. All right. Guys, I'm tired. So that was easy, gang. And yeah. So if you feel that you learned something, guys, so smash that subscribe button, and then I will highly appreciate. So guys, this is also another trade that I'm still okay, I just took this buy. All right, so price is still all right, so I should add another position. So look at this. So price is still at this support. This support is quite strong, of course. All right, so generally, guys, this market should be going all the right. We just analyze the same trade, guys. All right, this is the same trade. This is now the Aussie and ZD. Look at this. There was this push, we had this, and now price has given us that break. And then guys, this is another swing. Look at this. So price broke this resistance line. All right, this was broken. Now price came back for a retest, guys. Look at this. Bring that fib tool, make it this. So this is just a signal. This is now the current market, right? So now this is great. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So price just bounced off this zone. That's the first that's the first rejection, the second rejection. So now time for swings, baby. Of course, I'm already in this trade. Either way, I'm still in this trade. So you can make, now you can see price is at the 100 zone. The way I like it, guys. I usually tell you when price hit that 100 zone will be to my more advantage, right? So now all the way up, more than this, of course. Price, like I said, is going to retest that weak zone, this zone, about 305 zone, pips. So this is just a swing, baby. So I'm already in this trade. I'm still playing out, right? Of course, at the longer time frame. Nice. This is great. So this is nice. Of course, I was anticipating this push, pull back before we going up. Crazy, guys. Crazy. And if you look this properly, guys, look at this. We have a double bottom. Guys. First bottom, and then the second bottom. Clear. All right. That's nice. All right. That's nice. So let's see what's happening at the 15. Okay. The 15-minute time frame. Right. So look at this. Let me remove the 4-hour Fibonacci tool. Then let's now add it to the 15 minutes. So price came all the way from this zone, then went to that previous high over here. Boom. Guys, look at this, guys. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing, man. Look at this. Wow. So price just rejected that 100 zone, and we can see that bullish Marubuzu candlestick. This bullish Marubuzu candlestick. That's crazy. So taking this buy entry will be so amazing. I will not hesitate, guys. Right? So this is still playing out, and of course, maybe if it plays out, let me see. I will make a video tomorrow, and maybe this Aussie, and then I'll upload it, guys. So this should be the first take profit, for maybe intraday traders or scalpers. 43 pips. This should be the first take profit. So I'm going to make a video after this movement. All right. So thank you, gang, for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning, man. If you found this content lit, like I said before, you just had to wait and see what happens before smashing that subscribe button. Now is the time, guys. It's the time to support the channel, guys, and also for algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, right? So if you're struggling, guys, in this forex market, then this video should be educative for you. All right. So smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. Okay, so until next time. And also, if you want to maybe reach me out or send me a message, I have a link in the description box below. And also check out my Telegram where I send free signal. Alright, so just made, I don't know how many trades, but everything was a win, 100%. So gang, see you next time, man. Amigos, adios.